Hi, today I'm going to cook bulgogi, but usually bulgogi is beef with soy sauce. It's a Korean representative food, one of representative food. But today I will make bulgogi with pork and chili paste. So a little bit spicy food. When I get stressed, I usually eat really spicy food. It's easy to get rid of stress. So anyway, today, now I'll make this bulgogi. Okay? Now I will show you this all ingredients. This cooking wine, this chili paste, this is sesame oil, this one chili powder, and soy sauce, sugar, and minced garlic. This one is just garlic. And leek, onion, this pork. So first, I will cut the pork. It's a small, it's easy to bite. So bite size, like this size maybe. Okay. Then, this one ready to stir fry. So, and then cut this onion. So you slice it thinly. This we call 채썬다. So in Korea, 채썬다. So slice thinly, like this. And put it here. And also this leek. The leek is a little bit big size, like this size. So, if you want a more spicy one, and you put some spicy chili, but today just put the chili paste. So I just without the chili. So, and also you cut this garlic. You slice it. Okay. So ready? Okay. First, I will grill the pork. Little bit of cooking oil, not too much. And first, you have to put this pork. Put the pork in the pan, and you cook it until brownish. So you take this. Now you see, little brownish. And here, you first put some this sliced garlic together. Okay. And also grill it. The important thing is look, here is a little bit brownish until this color comes out. You cook it. And after that, I will put these seasonings together. Okay, here. And put some soy sauce in the edge of the frying pan. 2 spoons. And here, you put some cooking wine. 4 spoons of cooking wine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And here, 2 spoons of 1, 2 spoons of chili paste. And 4 spoons of chili powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, smell is really spicy. And here, some this spring onion. And some sugar. Some sugar. And this leek. Now you stir fry it evenly until it's mixed with the seasoning and beef. Mix it all together. And here you put some sesame oil. If you think that it's too dry, put some water. If you think it's too dry, you put some water. Not enough. This bulgogi with chili paste is very suitable for alcohol, and also it's good to eat with rice. You can see the spicy taste. Okay, now it's ready. It's ready to eat, so turn off the stove, and now I'll put in the plate. If you have your country's wine in your home, and try with this. And the sesame seeds. Okay, now it's ready to eat. Look at this. It's a very easy way to cook. Actually, in Korea, we first, before baked this pork, just seasoning all together and mix it and put in a refrigerator for 30 minutes and then fried it. But now, today I will show just first bake the grilled pork and then put seasoning and stir fry all together. So it's easy. And take care and see you next time.